Hi guys, welcome to my first ever IGTV video, and today's look is inspired by Alia Bhatt's Kalank look, which is the iconic look, and it's going over the internet, in which she's wearing a white ethnic wear with some golden jhumkas and a red simple bindi. So I will be using minimal products, but I have already primed my face using a serum, moisturizer and a primer. So let's get started. For the base, I will be using a cushion foundation. Alia Bhatt has very clear skin, and I love the way her skin looks. So although I have quite a few spots on my face here and there's some hyperpigmentation and some acne marks, but we are going to ignore that today. So just using my cushion foundation in this parting motion. As I said, this will be minimal products makeup look, and actually she did not use a lot of products, so any beginner can also do this makeup look. So just I will not be using layers of foundation. I will only use one layer, and I think I am done with the foundation. So when you apply foundation, kindly do not forget your neck and your ears, because they are kind of visible and they are part of your face, and makeup should be applied evenly all over. So if you can see, I think that is more than enough. And she has got fuller eyebrows, so I will be filling my eyebrow with a brown shade, because I generally do it with the eyeshadow. I do not like the finish of eyebrow pencil or a gel liner, so eyebrow pomade. So what I will do is I'll just fill it. For my eyebrows, I will be using a brown kind of eyeshadow, and I will just fill my eyebrows in. Alia Bhatt has got really beautiful eyebrows, and she always is seen with well-groomed eyebrows. Sorry, so I will be doing that. After the foundation is done, I would like to fill my eyebrows. I've already done one off camera. I will be doing the other one now on camera. Generally, Alia Bhatt has very nice, well-groomed eyebrows, and she likes to keep it thick, and that really suits her. So I'm also going for the similar kind of look. For filling my eyebrows, I'm using a brown shade. Because that really gives a very natural finish. You just have to lightly fill your eyebrows. Don't worry if you goof up. Then if there is any mistake, we can take some makeup remover or wipes or earbud and Q-tip, so that we can just clear the mistakes. We can clean it off. And I am just filling in with light hands. So you have to be very, very gentle to fill the eyebrows. Like you can see, filling the eyebrows gives a very different kind of effect to the eyes. So doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream. Once I am done with the eyebrows, I would like to take a setting powder, and I'm using this one by Maybelline. It's White Super Fresh 12-hour Whitening Freshness Compact with Pearlite, and this I'm in the shade Marble. So I will just pat it all over my eyelids so that it makes a perfect base for my eyeshadow. Yeah, so I'm not setting it in my face now because I generally don't do that, and that's also helpful. If you have any fallout from the eyeshadow, you can clean and then go over with the setting powder and stuff. If you are doing a heavy makeup look, then maybe you can use a loose powder, and that will after you're done with the eyes, you can just clean up with a brush, and then you will not have your base makeup spoils. So I have set my eyes with some powder, and let's go ahead with the makeup. So for my eyes, what I will do is I've already prepped my eyes. I have put some powder on my eyes. I will be taking a brown shade, a brown contour shade like so, and I will be putting it over my crease, all over my crease, and that to create that gradient effect. So you have to work it slowly. You just have to take a little bit and then keep on building it up. You can go overboard with this shade, but because Alia Bhatt had kept her look very simple with less of eyeshadow and more of a smudged kind of look, so I'm using little by little, and I have already done one eye off camera so that you have the reference how to do it. You can take a little bit eyeshadow down, but anyways I will be going again with the same eyeshadow on my lower lid, so not to worry. So after that my eyeshadow is done, what I would do is I would just take a black Kajal. I'm taking a gel Kajal because I like the finish, and I will be lining my waterline, and just above the upper lash line you have to line it. Don't be precise because we will anyways be smudging it. So just draw a thin line, and we can smudge it out. Don't worry if there's any mistake, we will clean it later on. So we need a smudge kind of look. You don't have to be very precise with the eyeshadow application. You just need a little bit of eyeshadow, a black kajal over your lash line. So I will be smudging that off, and all not going above my crease line. And this is a smudged eyeshadow look, I mean smoky eye look, so you don't have to worry. It will be creating, the brown shadow will be creating the gradient, so you don't have to worry. You just have to smudge it off. So smudging it on and off. Sorry, so I will just coat my eyelashes with mascara. Just give it a nice coat. You can go with as many coats as you want because she really has some fuller lashes, and only mascara. We are only using coats and coats of mascara to get a more better look of natural, good, healthy eyelash. So once we are done with that, I would set my face with some powder. Don't forget the neck, as I said. Don't overset it because she had a glowy kind of look, and if you want the same kind of look, unless and until you are kind of you have oily or very oily skin, do not really set it well. So what it takes to make me smile. I am done with the compact, and now I would take, she had really chiseled, oh god, what am I saying? She had really chiseled, okay, let's just it. She had a really good jawline, a very sharp one, and had a very nice contoured face. So the same eyeshadow which I took for my eyes, I will be taking the same eyeshadow and I will be contouring. That's a contour shade actually. I will be contouring my face. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy Taking a contouring shade, I just will contour my face, and right here in so, my open hand, like so. And maybe I'm just a little girl, if you like heavy contouring, you can go overboard with the contouring because she really had some good contouring going on her face, blending all everything on my skin. I am filming this video in daylight, so the light may go on and off, so excuse me for that. Then I would be taking a very peachy kind of shade for my blush. I'm taking a peachy blush and smile and apply the blush. Like so. A little bit on your nose, on your chin. Usually we don't apply blush on forehead, but I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. And she had a very glowing face, as I said earlier in the video. So what I would do is I will take a good amount of highlighter. I really like highlighter, so taking the same brush because I cannot find my highlighter brush now. A little bit on the tip of your nose and a little bit on the bridge of your nose, the eyebrow bone, the front of my cheeks, and my upper lips and my chin. So we are done with the highlighter. Before applying lipstick, I would like to advise you to apply a setting spray so that the makeup lasts longer and we'll just soak it up everything. So before applying lipstick, I would like to advise you. Before applying lipstick, I would like to advise you to apply a setting spray. I'm going for a glowing setting spray because I have dry skin, and matte setting spray will only make me my skin more drier, and you can use anything you like so that the makeup lasts longer. So taking a quick shower. I'm gonna run right up this hill. Summer sky or winter chill. And this would set all our makeup on place. So for my lips, I will be lining my lips with a nude lip liner first, and then going over with the lipstick. Maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. So for lips, I am using a nude color lip liner, and then above that I would be going with a nude lipstick shade because Alia Bhatt has new lipstick, and I have said so many times Alia Bhatt has this, that, so excuse me for that. Applying lip liner would only make the lips stay for longer. So I would suggest don't forget to apply a lip liner before applying the lipstick. So you can only stay here if you want after applying the lip liner, but I would like to apply a lipstick above that. So I will be applying the lipstick to complete this look. And we are done. So this is how the look turned out. She had braided her hair, so you can go ahead. I braided it. I generally don't braid my hairs, and I don't know how to braid my hair, so I do not. So hope you guys liked this video and this makeup look. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Comment below and let me know how did you like my inspired Alia makeup look. I would, for reference, I would put a picture anywhere on the screen for comparison. And I am just a disclaimer out that I am not a makeup artist. I have learned makeup on my own. Makeup is my passion. I love makeup, so this I am no way trying to impose my makeup skills on anybody. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and turn the black thumb blue. Thank you. Until next time, bye bye. I'm gonna whistle all the while, if that's what it takes to make me smile.